Okay, next visual effects is colorize. It's like a tint spot. You can just assign one color to a different range of the color in a video or image. For example, you can give this color to range of red or green. You can see we have a green. You can see you can assign that intensity. You can assign that to gray midtones or green shadows if you have all gray. Green highlight. You can see you can assign to the green highlight that color. Or you can open that or play with these handles to see what happened here. Or we can redo that. So here is, you can close it here. You can see, you can close or open it. It just assign one color to, for example, a green channel of different range of your image.